Hello, my name is Simon Crowther. I am the CEO of i-nexus. Across my career, I've been absolutely fascinated in the challenge that it is for large organisations to deliver against this strategy. Over the last 15 years at i-nexus, we've been investing in and building an enterprise-ready strategy execution platform, and it's specifically designed to help organisations achieve sustained growth and success. And we do this by providing a digital platform that's for senior leaders, strategy execution professionals, to help them actually manage their continuous improvement programs and their long-term strategy. Through the history of i-nexus, as you would expect, we've learned and gained insights from our customers. Through this, we've actually got a fairly good understanding of the challenge that it is to deliver on strategy and the best approaches. So what we want to do is share these insights with other organisations such that they can actually achieve their full potential. And that's why we have regular half-day best practice workshops. And these are for senior professionals, leaders of strategy in organisations. That really want to transform the way that they are running their improvement programs or their long-term strategy. Quite simply, delivering on strategy is incredibly difficult, and these briefings have been designed specifically to actually help you. So if you're in an organisation where it's struggling to have alignment across or down through its organisation, or if actually you're spending more time in the administration of running the process and the method than actually delivering meaningful results, or actually even more importantly, if you can't answer the question, am I going to deliver on my strategy? If any of those apply, then you should come to one of our briefings. You'll gain an understanding of best practice methodologies. You'll also hear about relevant case studies, and we'll also provide you with tools to measure the maturity of your organisation to actually deliver on its strategy. And finally, we'll actually provide you with the investment case for a digital platform. You'll also get to see i-nexus firsthand. If you go to our website and you go to the events section, there you'll see all the strategy execution briefings that we're holding in various locations, and we have more adding continuously. And we look forward to seeing you at one of our strategy execution briefings in the near future.